I am in Paris, going to my hotel. I'm going to spend the night there and then go to Port tomorrow. The weather is gorgeous, but it's going to get bad. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Setup. I am in France. I wasn't able to post a video. Things have been extremely hectic, but in a good way. And I have been extremely busy, which made me question my decision to post every other week. When I was determined to post every week, I was on top of things. When I started posting every other week, I'm not quite able to stick to that schedule, even though it's taking a lot more time to get a video out every week. I think I'm gonna reconsider my decision and I might need to post more frequently, but I won't be able to do that immediately. Next weekend I won't be able to post anything, for example, because I'm in France. I came here for a writing retreat. I am in my room. I arrived today. I am still tired from the travels, but I was able to sleep last night at a hotel near the airport before flying to Pau, southwest of France, near the Pyrenees Mountains. This area is so beautiful. In a second, I'm going to show you my view. Just wanted to talk about what's happening. In my last video, I said that I have been doing a lot of cleaning up. I actually finished cleaning up the garage. I haven't taken a video of its last state. I'll do that when I'm back. Now everything is almost organized. My floor is not cluttered anymore and it looks and feels good. Now we can park a car in the garage and still have some space. I have had to install more shelves and I had to install some pegboards. One of the pegboards, well, both pegboards need to be reorganized to be better, but it's a little bit difficult to determine what to put where. I think over time things will change as we understand where to put what. Here you can see me unpacking the pegboards. It was annoying to get these things out of those plastic bags, but I managed to do it. And then I measured, and then I started drilling holes on the wall to put the pegs. It is hard to do this alone. It's usually much easier if there's someone who can hold the pegboard up while you're doing your measurements and also putting in the first screws. Yeah, I was able to get the studs for the first board and the second board. The first side is on the stud, but the last part isn't. But there were drywall anchors in there, so it wasn't a problem, and I was able to put 4 of them together like this, and then added some shelving, etc. afterwards, and put up screwdrivers and gardening tools, etc. on that pegboard, which was nice. Yeah, and you won't see it here, but there's a 4th one there. And then I was able to install 2 more close to the garage door where those ladders are. You will see that in the finished version. That was exciting. It made me feel really good. In addition to that, there was more progress in terms of what I'll be sharing with you, hopefully in my next video. But I have been shooting some short videos to document what's going on. We are there. Now I feel like I can talk to you all about it. And that has been the reason why things have been hectic, because I've been getting ready, I've been doing things, I've been shopping. I've been setting things up. I do want to show you kind of the process of how things are going when I post that video. But this week I'm also going to, or try to, record videos throughout the week, documenting what I'm doing, how things are going here in France. I am really excited. Until I got on the plane, my mind wasn't at the right space, but now that I'm here, I'm extremely excited. I'll be working on my novel. I'm hoping to do some problem solving with respect to the plot and story, and I'm going to be working on the second draft, and I think I'm gonna make some big progress here. So it is also exciting to be among other people like me, other writers, and this is a writing retreat with Molly Wizenberg. She is a memoirist. She published 3 books, and she also used to write a blog that I used to follow called Orangeette that I loved, and I'm really excited about being here with her. So overall, good stuff. I did not bring my proper camera here, vlogging camera. I did not bring any microphones. I think I overpacked. I am worried that I won't be able to buy gifts for my kids, so please bear with the bad audio here. I think I'll be fine. If it's too bad, I might need to do voiceover. I just didn't have space to carry all that equipment. It takes up so much space. I wasn't even able to pack my tripod, so right now my phone is resting on 2 pillows. So it will be rough footage and audio won't be perfect, but I'm hoping that it is still going to be okay to watch. So let me show you my room. I forgot that I think I booked the biggest room. It was such a pleasant surprise because I completely forgot. It's a lovely room with a lovely view. Okay, so this is my desk area. Here's my main door. Here's the room. It's very big. Check out the bathroom. There's a shower. And a closet bathtub. Yeah, 2 vanities. It's the bed and a walk-in closet that runs all the way across this side. But check out this view. We can see the Pyrenees Mountains in the distance. And this is my view. Okay, and there's a swimming pool, but they said it's pretty cold, so I don't think I'll be swimming. But look how gorgeous this is. Yep. Anyhow, it's gonna be a rainy week, but I'm still very excited. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.